Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am here with entry number 20. I'm so excited, y'all, and I am so extremely blessed. I can't even begin to tell you. Now, before I share the entry, I wanted to show you these. I haven't seen these yet, and everybody went crazy, even myself, over the jumbo confetti from Walmart. With the Halloween and the ghost and the pumpkins and the skulls and all, and bats. So I had saw these tonight. I had ran to Walmart, grabbed a couple of things that I needed there. Actually, this was at the market, not the super center. So I saw these, and it was faced backwards. And so I had saw them, and I went, oh yeah, there we go. So I picked up, of course, one for me, one for a friend. If anybody else is interested and cannot find them, y'all let me know. I'd be happy to get them if my Walmart still has them. Now, this entry comes from Michelle Tran. Oh, I see some. Y'all know I love my party in the box. Yay! Oh my goodness. Oh, confetti too. Yay. Isn't it so fun and festive? Oh, I know y'all hear me say that all the time. I think that's it. Yes. Yay. And this is pretty gold. I don't have anything like that. So this is all fun. New. Oh, we got some pretty bows here. Oh, I love the teal and the blue. I mean, well, you already know that. Look at that. That's so fun. Okay. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. I'm going to open these up so that I don't get that glare. These are so pretty. I apologize, y'all. And it's not sticking because the sequins got underneath, but y'all can see. Is that not pretty? I love polka dots. And look at my bling centers. Thank you. I'm so happy. Thank you, sweetheart. I really do love those. Okay. Looks like we got a card under here. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, we got some sequin mix. Look at that. I love this little container. Oh, how pretty. It's so fun and festive. And look at those little flowers. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. Is that not cute? Oh my goodness. I love it. Thank you. I love it. I'm limited on my sequin, y'all. I really gotta step out and like order some from AliExpress. But my most exotic comes from the Dollar Tree or Tuesday morning, or I get them from y'all. But thank you. Oh my. Oh. Oh, I love it. Look at that. HBD, happy birthday. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Do y'all see all this trim and metallic? Y'all gotta tell me, do y'all just buy the paper, or what is all this metallic paper that y'all use? Because I ain't figured it out yet. And oh, that's raised. Oh my gosh, girl. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that like on a ring. That never mind. I'm too into jewelry after my earlier video. Oh, and she's got the, what do y'all call those? I want to call them just resin dots, but is it stickers, or is that the Nouveau drops I hear everybody talking about? Either way, I don't care. It's so sparkly and pretty. I love them. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Okay, let me see what she says before. Oh, Michelle. Y'all, she's another one. Y'all gotta see her handwriting. Okay, I apologize. I'm here. Hi, Carmen. Thank you for hosting such a fun giveaway challenge. I enjoy making these creations and hope that you'll enjoy them. You are such a kind and amazing lady. I wish nothing but the absolute best for your birthday. I don't make YT videos, YouTube videos, but I am very active on IG. Michelle. Oh, Michelle, thank you so much. See, we're the opposite. I'm on IG. I'm just not as active as I should be. I tend to be more YouTube videos, but that's okay. I am so glad that we have connected. And she is Michelle, and her YouTube, is it Michi? Would you pronounce it Michi because your name is Michelle? Or Michi T. But her IG is Call Me Michi. Memichi. I'm hoping that I get that for y'all, because that will be what I link in the description. Since she's mostly on IG, that's what I'm going to link. I'm going to probably link her YouTube also, but I definitely want to put that one first if I can remember, and I'm sorry if I don't. But I definitely want to get that in there so that y'all can visit her, because, I mean, my gosh, you see her talent. Thank you. I'm just tickled pink. I'm tickled pink on tickled pink. Whoa, more for confetti. Actually, some of these are heart confettis. I just realized that. You've got the round, and then you've got the heart. How fun is that? I'm not sure where you found that, and I love that little bag. Actually, this bag says something. Give me a second. Give me a second. I know this one will be edited because I'm kind of pausing in between, but I love this whole stained glass look. It's beautiful. It says, wish you be always filled with happiness. I just didn't read it fast enough. That is so pretty. I love that. I don't know where y'all get all y'all's pretty bags from. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at the macaroon and the balloon animal. I got a secret to tell y'all about balloon animals I ain't shared with nobody yet. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at that. And it's doubled and dimensional. Look how dimensional that is with the balloons and the happy birthday. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. And look at all the sparkles. She's got some, is this like thin washi tape? It's so pretty. And then she's got this little bitty happy birthday with the itty bitty bling. I'm not sure if she added that, but it looks like she did. Yeah, we got some more. She put some little gold thread back there. And then, yeah, it's falling now. And then she's got, of course, the blue sparkle. Oh, there's another little sequin. I'm not, okay. Yeah, no, I don't think these are supposed to be here. But you know how sequins are, man. They have a mind of their own. They're going to go wherever they want to. Okay. Okay, let's see. And then she's got the blue bling. She's got a little bitty baby pearl there. I don't know if she did that or if that came with it. It's glitter inside the macaroon. Oh my gosh. And then the bling all the way across. That is so, I mean, it's very clean. But there's a lot there. And it is so pretty. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's learn a little bit. Her name is, of course, Michelle. Her birthday is March 2nd. What did I tell y'all about y'all having birthdays on my family's months? No, this one actually is on the same exact day. I would love to know the year. You ain't got to share it, of course. But I'd love to know the year because My husband's birthday is actually March 2nd. So I find that very interesting. You share my husband's birthday. Her favorites are gold, pastel colors, especially pink. Yay, pink. Christmas, flowers, paper tulle bows, 3D puffy stickers. I love 3D puffy stickers. Adhesive gem stickers. Yes, ma'am. And her favorite store is Hobby Lobby. Yay, mine too. Well, that and Amazon. And like I said, her name is Michelle Trans. She's from Texas. And you can catch her on YouTube and IG. Call me Michi. Michi? I apologize if I'm butchering it, babe. I can't believe you share the same birthday as my husband. Exactly, March 2nd. Okay. Thank you so much, girl. I know I keep running my mouth, but let's look at this party. Thank y'all so much. I'm so excited. I'm so blessed. Thank you for entering my challenge. I've got you down. If you did a share on Instagram, or if you, yeah, you said you didn't do YouTube videos, but if you did share on Instagram, or if you're going to, please let me know and tag me in it. I have most of them saved, but if just in case, let me know. Leave me a comment below and let me know that you did one so I can make sure that I get it wrote down and give you the credit for that. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and I hope y'all all have a great night. Actually, this might be in the morning. Depends on when I get it uploaded. But either way, I wish you the best always.